Well, the attorney for one of the 5 defendants charged in the Brooklyn Day mass shooting says his client will be taking a plea deal in this case. Alexa Ashwell spoke with the attorney. She joins us live in studio with what happened during today's hearing. Alexa.
Mary, defense attorney Warren Brown represents the youngest of the 5 defendants charged in the Brooklyn Day mass shooting. Today, he confirmed the 15-year-old will be accepting the state's plea offer and relayed that to a judge during this afternoon's scheduling hearing. You may recall back in March, a judge ruled the 5 defendants would be tried in 3 separate trials and that those dates would be determined today. All 5 defendants have been offered plea deals. Attorney Brown's client so far is the only defendant slated to accept an offer. 15-year-old is facing multiple charges, including attempted murder, first-degree assault, use of a handgun, and inciting a riot. Now, under the deal, he would be pleading guilty to the assault charge as well as possession of a firearm by a minor. Back in March, the attorneys representing the 5 defendants heavily disputed the charges and questioned the evidence the state plans to present in trial. Attorney Brown says he still believes the state has a weak case, but stressed this deal would keep his client out of an adult correctional facility.
And a co-defendant of my client, and so we had to decide, do we want to roll the dice? If you take the plea, you're guaranteed you're not going to go to an adult prison. You'll be in another year and a half in the juvenile system, and then you can go home. You go to trial and you roll the dice and you win, hey, you didn't have to do another year in the juvenile system. But if you lose, you stand to be sentenced to decades in a prison.
Brown added his client had no criminal history. The 2 adult defendants, 18-year-old Tristan Jackson and 19-year-old Aaron Brown, are slated to be tried together. Jackson is facing 57 criminal counts. The final defendant, who was featured, the first person arrested in the Brooklyn Day mass shooting after this Instagram video surfaced, is scheduled to be tried by himself. His attorney tells me no decision has been made on a plea. I have yet to hear back from the remaining 3 attorneys. Attorney Brown says all defendants have until May 31st to make a decision.
And Alexa, 2 people were murdered in the Brooklyn Day mass shooting. Where do those investigations stand?
Yes, Mary, that's correct. No one has been charged with those murders. Baltimore police have yet to provide any additional updates. And Mary, going back to those 5 defendants, I want to point out the victims for the charges filed against them are unknown. Again, the defendants have until May 31st to accept pleas. A follow-up hearing is scheduled for June 7th. Alexa Ashwell, Fox 45 News.
I'm Mary Bubala. Thank you for watching. Here's another video for you to watch. Also, take some time to subscribe to our YouTube channel.